I can just sit here all day and watch this. There's probably around half a dozen nice sized coho salmon right here, and all of them are quite red, basically showing their spawning colors. And there's a lot of fighting around going on. Several males fighting over females, fighting over the best spawning areas. This is a pretty typical spawning channel, very tiny. You got good, clear and cold water right here, and there's a tiny little jack right here. So that jack, it's about maybe not even a pound, and just kind of holding back behind all the big adults. And look at this, it's right here. It's so close.
Yeah, it looks like someone's been feeding willy. So that is a coho salmon that has been munched on by a black bear probably. This is bear country, so when you do come in here, you gotta be aware of your surroundings and just keep an eye out. It's generally it's pretty safe. It's occasionally you do see signs of bears like that. Who knew that within a couple hours drive from Vancouver, you could be out here in the wilderness looking at spawning salmon. It really is a privilege to have these opportunities so close to home.